Hello everyone, and today we're going to be reviewing the Kommok one-step hair dryer. So it's a brush and a hair dryer all in one. This is quite interesting. They do give you a heat protective glove in case you need it, and a couple of banana clips to section off your hair. This video I won't be using it because I'm only doing one area, one section. So I'll go over this real quick. It does says it has 2 speeds plus a cool setting, ceramic heater, ultralight, and tourmaline technology of negative ions. It does mention to keep away from hairspray products. So I'm going to try this over here. Only thing I noticed with this is it may not be comfortable for everybody. The heat settings are down here. So we have off, low, middle, and high. And you have to turn this gold little panel to get it to turn on. This brush piece does not remove. So you have to kind of clean as you go. Make sure you don't get any chemical products on it. You wouldn't want that on your hair dryer. It does have little regular bristles down here, and then it has the tipped ones over here. So it's cool over here. It's going to be super hot because this is the hair dry part. So you can see how well this works. So I'm just going to put this on high. Now section off my hair. This, I have very long hair. It's fine, but I have a lot of it. Guys, so it does a pretty good job of drying. I wouldn't say it dries 6 times faster, but it does dry faster than a regular hair dryer. Of course, you're separating your strands of hair as you're drying. It's nice with a brush because you kind of can style it as you go. And you notice I take it over the top after I try to smooth frizzies out. You can smooth some, but you're not going to get them all. But I do have some light glistening off the top here, so it's pretty nice. So the only thing I found is the handle's slightly uncomfortable, so I have to hold it up here. It gives me more control. Hold it up here because this is perfect for me. I understand it having to be big because, well, it's a hair dryer brush. So I don't know if there's like mechanisms down in here that control it. But you'll have to go down here to turn it on and off. And then just clean your brush off after. Which I have some hair. Not too bad. It's a really nice hairbrush. I do like it better than my hair dryers. I use them many different types growing up. And you always have to use a brush and hold it, of course, and blow dry. But when I was younger, I used to just blow it all over the place and then they get tangled. So I would have to say that this brush is more realistic for people who have like medium to longer hair. Anybody else that has like hair this and higher and it's going to dry fast anyway. Unless you really like this brush, I don't see it possibly increasing your drying time because your hair is going to dry pretty fast anyway. So this is pretty much targeted towards people who have longer hair. So that's the Kommok brush. If you have any questions or concerns, I can target them towards the seller if I cannot answer them, and you put them down below. I'll include the link where to purchase it, and I'll also be up on Twitter. So thanks everybody, and that's the Kommok brush, hair dryer brush. Thank you everyone.